Should you only use one color of tile floor in your home? Tile is a popular flooring option among homeowners since it can withstand the test of time, is resistant to moisture, and isn't high maintenance. Further, tiles are available in a variety of colors and shapes, making it easy for you to pair your floors with your chosen wall paint to give each room a distinct look. The inevitable question, however, when it comes to tile flooring is, should you mix and match your tiles or should you go for a consistent look, with one tile floor throughout the home? Compared to other flooring options, tile is expensive. Once installed, you'll want to be happy with your choice to avoid expensive future reinstallation. So, to answer the question, you'll need to consider your home's layout, interior decor, and budget. For instance, if you've got an open concept floor plan and don't particularly care about adding character to each room, you can go with a single color tile floor. But if you've got a closed layout and want to customize each room to bring out its personality, you might want to experiment with different tile colors. When to use one color of tile floor? If you're a fan of minimalism and want your home to reflect your aesthetic, using one color of tile floor can help you achieve a contemporary look. Moreover, the same flooring color ties up all your rooms to create a unified space that doesn't attract too much attention and lets your interior decor, appliances, fixtures, etc. do the talking. This trick works particularly well for large rooms, allowing you to tap into the illusion of a bright and airy room. Using one color of tile floor is also a budget-friendly option since buying items in bulk is often less expensive than purchasing small quantities. Besides helping you attain a sleek look on a budget, employing one tile color in your home also gives you the option to play around with the tile size. For instance, you can use bigger tiles to take advantage of their long linear lines to complement spacious rooms and visually enhance their size. The case against only using one color. While using one color of tile floor works well in open concepts and large spaces, they can feel claustrophobic in smaller spaces. Further, using the same flooring color throughout your home leaves little room for experimentation and will make all your rooms look more or less the same despite their functionality. There will be no visual boundaries between your bedroom, kitchen, living room, or bathroom. The same tile color may not even work for all the rooms as lighter tile colors look appealing in smaller rooms, but larger rooms require darker floors to make them feel cozy if that's what you're going for. Finding coordinating decor items and fixtures to go with your tile color will also be more of a challenge since you'll have limited color options. Further, replacing broken tiles of a one-tile home will be difficult and expensive because you'll have to get one that's the exact same shade as the rest of your flooring or risk disturbing your floor design. The uniform flooring color might even begin grating on your nerves after some time. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.